Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to read you a problem and you're going to write the problem down here as a number sentence. And then we can show our work right here by doing the stacking and subtracting. Okay? Here's your first problem. Sophie had 25 markers. So, like this. 25 markers. She gave 3 markers to Josh. She's giving them away. That means subtract. Yes. How many markers does Sophie have now? Okay. Do we really need to show? I mean, do we need to stack and add, or can you guys subtract 3 from 23? Yeah. 25. Yeah. I think you should be able to do that, right?
Yeah.
All you got to think of is think of the ones for right now, right? 5 minus 3. What's 5 minus 3? Jason? 2. So, even though you're just doing 5 minus 3, it's going to be 25 minus 3. So that would be 22. 22 markers. Okay. Now, the next problem, listen to this one. How many markers will Sophie have if Josh gives the 3 markers back to her? So what would we do then? Yeah, we're going to add again, but what are we going to add?
22.
Yes, she had 22 after she gave them to Josh. But then he's giving them back, so then we are adding 3. And what does that equal?
25.
25 markers again. Okay? Guys, this is called kind of like a fact family. Okay? You have all the same numbers. Okay? All the same numbers. Except for they're in a different order. Okay? Because when you are subtracting, you have to have the biggest number first. Alright? Then you can subtract and find an answer. But when you are adding, your biggest number is your answer. Okay? Your biggest number is your answer. So that's the difference. Okay? If I give you 3 numbers, okay, you should know that the biggest number will be the when you're subtracting the first number in your number sentence. If you are adding, it's going to be your answer. Okay? So let me show you this one. 4, 5, and 9. If I was subtracting, what number would go first? Isaac? Yeah, you could do 9 minus, it doesn't matter either of these. Okay? 4 or 5. 4 equals 5. Now if I wanted, I could also do 9 minus 5 equals 4, right?
Yeah.
Do you notice how all these numbers are the same numbers? Yeah, they're just in a different order, right?
I know what
You still have 9, you still have 5, and you still have 4. They're just in a different order, okay? And there is a name for it. But I don't know if it's telling you what it is. Okay, now, but if we are adding, what's one way I could show this problem with adding though? Instead, can we?
4 plus 5 equals 9.
Yes, 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9, the big number, has to be in the answer now. Or you could switch it up and do 5 plus 4. But do you still notice? You still have all the same numbers. You still have 5, 4, and 9. 4, 5, and 9. All 5, 4, and 9. 5, 4, and 9. 5, 4, and 9. No matter what order, you still have the same answers, right? They're just in a different order. Okay? You have to have a big number in the sum when you're adding. You have to have the little or the big number as the first number when you're subtracting. Okay? So let's come over here. Count up from the number you are subtracting by to find the difference. This one they want you to start with 38 and count up to 45. Start at the smaller number and count up to 45. So basically what they want you to do is put a dot on 38. Usually we start with a big number, but this time we're going to start with the little one. Okay, now go to 45. So if you add 2 to 40, and then add 5 more. What's 2 plus 5, guys? What's 2 plus 5, Jaren? 7. So 45 minus 38 equals 7. Okay? All you did instead of subtracting was adding up to it. If you have 2 numbers, you can add up to the big number. The small number can add up to the big number. Now, you're not going to do that if these numbers are way, way, way far apart. Like, if I had 95 minus 17, I'm not going to do this. So I'm not going to go 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all the way to 95. Those are way too far apart, okay? But if they're close, like 45 and 38, then we can count up, okay? If this is too confusing, you are still welcome to stack and add, okay? But we're going to let's try some together, okay? All right, so share and show. 36 minus 27. Which number do you think for right now are we going to put the dot on? Lena?
27.
Yeah, put the dot on 27. Okay. All right, now we want to go up to 36. So if we go to 30, how many jumps is that? How many jumps is it to 30? Sandra? Yes, so let's go like this. And what you do to go to 30, you need to write a plus 3. Because you added 3 to get to 30. You jumped 3. Alright? Now let's jump to 6, right? 36? Now if you're at 30 and you want to get to 36, how many are you going to jump? 6. So 30 to 36 is plus 6. Now, just look at your 2 numbers on top. What do they equal if you add them together? 9 and 3. What do they equal if you put them together? 9 plus 3. Oh, I'm sorry, 6 plus 3. I'm giving the answer here. 6 plus 3, what is it? 9. Okay, so 36 minus 27 is 9. Do we want to check? Let's check. 36 and 27. Can we do 6 minus 7?
No.
No, we have to go over here and borrow. So that's a 2, and this would make this 16, right? What's 16 minus 7? Chase?
9.
9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9, 9. Did we get the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, but we just jumped up. We counted up instead. Okay? Let's do this one. 49, or 56 minus 49. So we're going to put our dot where? Which number is going to be where I put our dot? Isaac? Nope. Because that's not counting up, that's subtracting down. So we want to count up. We're going to start on 49. Okay? Now, we want to get to a tens number. So what's the next 10 number after 49? Jason? 50. So we're just going to jump how many to get to 50? 1. We're going to jump 1 to get to 50. So what are we going to write on top of that jump?
Plus 1.
Plus 1 on top of that jump. Now, what number are we trying to get to? 56. So if you're on 50 and you want to get to 56, how many are you going to jump? 6. You're on 50, you want to get to 56, you're going to jump 6. Now, what do I do? Ivan? Add your jumps. Add your jumps. What's this jump? 1, and what's this jump?
6.
1 plus 6. What's 1 plus 6, guys? 7. Do we need to check that one too?
No.
Okay. Do you see how that is? All you gotta do is you gotta count up or add to find your answer instead. And like I said, you can only do that if they're close. Okay? Which they're showing you ones that are close. They're not gonna do them that are not close to make you jump for no reason. Okay? So 64 minus 58. We're gonna put our dot on the small number. Okay? So where are we putting our dot on? 58. 58. Putting our dot on the small number. We want to get to a tens. What's the next tens? You know the tens are bold. Can you see that on there? The tens are bold. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 50, 60, 70. They're bold. They're darker than all the other numbers. So what are we going to jump to? Jaren? 60, because that's the next bold, right? How many are you jumping if you're going to 60 from 58? Ivan? Yes, you're jumping 2. So do the jump. And then what do I do, right? Plus 2. Plus 2. Okay. Now, I'm trying to get to what number, though?
64.
Yeah, we want to get to 64. We want to get to that big number. So how many more am I going to jump? 60 to 64 is how many? Think about that. From 0 to 4 is how many? How many are we going to jump? Grayson? 4. 60 to 64 is jumping 4. Okay, now we have our jumps. What am I going to do? Now I have our jumps. What are we going to do? I'm trying to think on somebody that has the right answer. All right, all of you tell me. We're going to
Add the top.
add the jumps. Our jumps are 2 and 4. What's 2 plus 4? Highest? 6. Okay. I think I'm going to have you do this with your partner, on your own with the partner. Okay. Then, yeah, I'll be on your own with the partner. Then, you guys can do these. Let's do the hot problem. Okay. Spencer wrote 5 fewer stories than Katie. Spencer wrote 18 stories. Okay, so we know Spencer did 18. Okay? And that's 5 fewer than Katie. So what can we do to find what Katie did? Add how many?
18.
Okay, so 18, what? Yeah, you're going to add 5 more. Because 18 was the smaller number. 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5. What's 8 and 5? 8 plus 5. Landon? 13. When we do 13, we put a 3 and we have to add the 1. 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. So how many did Katie do? 23 stories. All right, I will get you your partner.
Easy.